Alright, so basically you have your standard transport wheelchair. We've already removed the rubber end to the tubing here so you can expose the tubing. Here's your anchor. You slide this in here, and then there's one bolt in here that you tighten up. You keep these flats parallel to the ground. Then we're going to switch over to this side. This is already locked in here. And what we're going to demonstrate is the quick release pin with the CH1003. So you slide that on, line up your hole, which is, and you can put this either on top or underneath, it doesn't matter, it's connected. So now that's attached to the chair. Then you can just simply take your IV pole, slide that on there, keep it straight in line, snug up the handle. Now your pole is attached to the chair. Then you can simply push the spring-loaded red button and adjust the pole wherever it's comfortable to walk with. And then you can walk with the pole attached to the chair any way you like. When you're ready to remove the pole from the chair, put it back straight in line with the handle, turn the knob, release the clamp, then the clamp can just hang straight down, and if you're going to use a chair without a pole attached to it, you can store it at a 90-degree angle like that. It's pretty simple.